Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today we are actually going to be taking a look at the Shayla times Colourpop collaboration, and that's what this video is going to be all about. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come and join the family. Come and be one of my angels if you guys are already one of my angels. You guys know I love you so much and I really do appreciate you. All your love and support is greatly appreciated. You guys don't know how much it means to me. Just make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell so that you're notified every time I drop a video. Right now you guys know that I'm going through like a separation and a divorce, so my life is just kind of like all over the place right now, and I'm trying to find the balance in it all, and I'm doing everything on my own. So I appreciate all of your support, and I appreciate it if you guys would just hit that bell so you're notified, because right now I'm not on like a regular schedule, so I need for you guys to know when I drop a video. So the only way you'll know is if you get that notification. If you guys didn't know that I was going through a separation and stuff like that, make sure you go and watch my last two videos, and that will catch you up on everything that's going on with me. But other than that, this video is about this beautiful collaboration that Shayla came out with Colourpop, and I want to actually demo it with you guys today. I want to check it out. I want to do some swatches. I want to do it all. So let's just dive right into this video. Okay angels, so first and foremost, let's just take a look at this packaging. This packaging is gorgeous. This packaging is so cute. It is like rose gold, and it says Shayla x Colourpop, and it's like splatters of paint on it, purple and black. We all know Shayla's favorite color is purple. Inside here is actually a Colourpop card, and it says go shorty, it's your birthday on this side, and this is what the inside of it looks like. So angels, this collection is actually a 7-piece collection, and inside the collection you're actually going to get a eyeshadow palette, you're going to get 2 highlighters, you're going to get 3 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss, and I can't wait to open it up with you guys. So first of all, I just want to say congratulations to Shayla. Shayla is doing her thing. You know, she had the collaboration with Tarte, the collaboration with Maybelline, and the collaboration with Colourpop, and I couldn't be more proud of her. Let's just take a look at the palette. This palette is called the Perception palette, and let's open it up. We all know that it is a 16 eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, the colors are gorgeous. She has the names on the bottom of each color, and we also have a mirror here. On the back of the palette, she actually has the names of the eyeshadows as well. And this palette is beautiful. The colors are amazing, perfect for a makeup artist. It is very cohesive. It's a very cohesive palette, and I love the colors that she chose, and it's a mixture between mattes and metallics, which is amazing. Let's swatch some of them. The first color here is Unbothered. Let's swatch it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's swatch this purple. September. We're gonna swatch September. That is September. Let's swatch TF. I guess that's the foot. The foot. Okay, angel. So the pigmentation on this palette is bomb. The bomb. I cannot wait to get into it and do the demo with you guys. Everything within this collection is very affordable, and I will make sure I list it all down below in the description, the entire collection and everything, if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Okay angels, so let's dive right into the highlighters. Here we have 2 different highlighters, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute splattered paint. You know, she continued with the splattered paint in the purple and gold theme. So these are actually loose highlighters, and we have Boomin and Pose. So let's open it up and see how it look, and we're going to swatch it as well. Okay, Angel, so this one is Boomin, and it is a nice gold. And this one here is Pose, and this is more of a rose gold. Okay, Angel, so here are the swatches. This one here is Boomin, and this one here is Pose. So these highlighters are so gorgeous, and they retail for $7 each, guys, so you cannot beat that. You definitely get a great amount of product in these two, so I would definitely say go out and get it. The palette actually resells for $23, so that's very affordable as well. Let's move into these lipsticks. So with the lipsticks, Shayla actually came out with 3 different lipsticks. And these are all 3 of them, and the names is Oouuu, Quickie, and Come On Sis. And I want to open them up, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys now. Everything about the packaging with this collection is so cute, like beautiful. I'm loving this whole rose gold theme. Like, look at this, guys. Gorgeous. So we got Oouuu, we got Come On Sis, and we got Quickie right here. These lipsticks are very pretty, guys, and they retail for $7 a piece, or you could get the set of 3 for $21, so very affordable and worth your money. And the last thing we have here is this ultra gloss that Shayla actually came out with here. And the gloss is so pretty. It is a sheer, like a clear gloss, but it has like gold specks in it. You can use this as a gloss topper, or you could just use it alone as a lip gloss, but this is what it looks like. Okay, Angel, so I actually swatched the gloss on my arm just in case you guys are wondering how it looks. It's a very clear gloss, but it has like gold shimmers in it, so. Okay, Angel, so that gloss actually retails for $6 if you guys are interested. Now we're going to move on into the demo. If you guys are interested in seeing how this eyeshadow palette works, me trying on one of the lipsticks, the lip glosses, and the highlighter. One of the highlighters, I'm not sure yet, but if you guys are interested in the demo, we're going to dive right into that now, and let's go. Okay, Angel, so I'm starting this tutorial out with the shade Thick, and I'm taking that color and I'm showing you that you have to slowly build up this color. I'm putting it right above my crease area, and now I have the desired intensity that I like, so I'm switching over to the color Played Out, and I'm putting that in my inner and outer corners, and I'm dragging it across the crease line, and I'm blending it out real good. I wanted this look to be more smoky and dramatic, so I went back into the palette and grabbed this shade and I'm just poking that right there on the inner and outer, the same way I did with Played Out, and just smoking it out really good, making sure that it's blended. Then I'm going to be jumping and grabbing my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. You guys can use any concealer you like. And I'm just going to be patting that down. And you want to make sure that the concealer dries down, so you'll see me just patting it just to make sure it's dry, and then I'll take my brush and I'll blend it in with the eyeshadow just to make sure everything is blended. This palette is perfect for day and night. You can go from day and night glam easily. So I'm taking that gold metallic shade, The Fuck, and I'm patting that right on my inner line. And then I'm taking that liner and my Big Shot mascara, and that's it. Okay, Angels, so now my face is pretty much done. You guys can see the eyeshadow look and everything like that. But now let's move into the highlighter. I'm going to be using Boomin. Boomin is like this really gold highlighter. And like I told you guys, Pose is more of the rose gold, but I just feel like Boomin is calling me today. So let's just see how this looks. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm booming like bam, bam. Like For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna take pose and I'm gonna do it right under my brow so you guys can at least see what it looks like. So let's just try pose. But like, Shayla, stop playing, Shayla. Like, come through highlight, cause y'all know I live for a good highlight. I'm taking it and putting it in the cap just not to get too much product. But this don't make no sense, Shayla. Okay, Angel, so moving over into the lips, I just actually lined my lips using this lip pencil from Morphe. This color is Bar. Yes, this color is Bar. It's a brown. And I don't even know what lippy to do. I think I'm gonna just take the Mauve Pink, which is Come On Sis, and I just wanna try it. Like, come on, sis. Okay, Angel, so this is Come On Sis, and I think it's really cute. I am going to try on Oouuu for the purposes of this video, just because I know you guys are going to see it. Quickie is kind of on a really light side. I don't think I'm gonna try it, but let's just try on Oouuu. All right, so this is Oouuu. Just gonna add the gloss over this so you guys can see. Okay, Angel, so this is what the gloss looks like. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm giving this entire collection a big thumbs up. Like, Shayla, like, another day, another slay. This entire collection is fire. You guys have to check it out. You can get it from the Colourpop website. I will make sure I leave everything down below. I'll make sure I list everything down there that's involved in the collection, and the pricing, everything will be down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which lippy was your favorite. Was it the Mauve Pink Come On Sis, or was it Oouuu? Comment down below and let me know. Make sure you guys are subscribed at this point in the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.